welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna do something pretty exciting, for me at least. Some of y'all don't care, but whatever. So you can probably see behind me I've got a set of wheels. Sorry, I thought those were cops and I'm moving a little fast here. I've got a set of wheels back there and some fresh tires going. So I'm on my way now to Stand Center in Tampa, which is where I typically go for like my alignments, anything that's like wheel and tire related. Those are the guys I usually deal with. They're super cool. Prices are average. But yeah, those are my guys. Anyway, I'm on the way there now. They're about an hour and change away from me. And we're gonna go get these tires mounted so that I can get the wheels on the car. Yes, I'm changing off the GMRs that I currently have on the car, and there's a few reasons for that. One, if you guys have been through this with me from the beginning, you know that I got those wheels from Colorado. So I got the G from my guy in Colorado. He didn't have any wheels to send the car with, so in my mind I'm like, might as well find a set of wheels out there that I can put on the car that had the decent specs for it and that I'd be okay with running for a while. So I found those locally in Colorado. He picked them up for me, put them on the car, and that's what I got the car with. So it was slightly rushed. I didn't have as many options as I would have liked in terms of like styling and like fitment and things like that. Those were the only thing I could find that were a decent spec for a decent price that were 3-piece as well. So that's one thing to kind of understand. Other thing is my current setup. So with the current wheels, with the GMRs, they're GS-107s. They're like an original build. They're not what people would call reps. They're technically an original design by GMR. Those are set up, the fronts are 10.5s, 0 offsets. The rears are 11s, 0 offsets. So the 11s in the rear with the wide body are pretty sunken in, so I have to run a spacer for them. And then in the fronts, I have to run spacers to clear the big brake kit. So I'm running spacers on all 4 corners, and I really didn't want to. So that's one reason why I got another set of wheels. Second reason is the multi-spoke white is a pain to clean and to keep clean. I can wash my car today. By the time I drive up the street and come back, they're brown and dirty from the brake dust. But obviously the brake dust shows more on the white faces than anything else. Doesn't help that those EBC red stuff pads are like super dusty. But the other part is these particular wheels came off of another G, and they were spec'd almost perfectly. So I did test the fronts just to see how they would land, and they land a perfect fender to lip right now. So I know that once I get these on and I get the tires on, they should fit no issues. The rears might need some slight adjustment, probably in terms of camber. But with the 25mm spacer I was running, these should match up pretty much the same, so it might not actually. I would say that the wheel snobs or stance snobs that I know probably won't be happy with the wheels that I got. But whatever, I mean, to each his own. I ran the GS-107s with no issues. So I don't care. So anyway, yeah, I'm excited to be getting these wheels mounted, be getting them on. I'll be getting the spacers off of all 4 corners. I'll be able to run chunkier tires, so I won't have as much of a stretch. Actually, the stretch might actually be somewhat the same, but I'll have a chunkier tire either way. The way that the faces line up on the calipers is near perfect. There's like millimeters of clearance since I don't have to run the spacer anymore, so that's gonna look awesome. So yeah, overall I'm excited. So right now I'm on the road heading to the tire shop, and when we get there we'll go ahead and continue this and watch them get mounted. And obviously you guys will probably see what wheels they are, so stay tuned. All right, y'all, so we made it here to the shop in one piece. Kind of quiet today, but waiting for them to finish up with another set of wheels they're working on, and then they should be able to get us in next, or me, us, whatever. But figured I'd do enough of, you know, the running around and give y'all a show of what we got in here and check them out. Yes, so we've got a fresh, clean set of GMR Kings. I love them. I like the way they really look. They're super clean. All right, y'all. I'm excited. Got these wheels and tires mounted. Well, we got the tires mounted to the wheels, I should say. Thanks to my guys out here at the Stand Center. They always look out. Like I said, this is my go-to place. There's places closer to home, but I've had poor experiences there, so I don't even bother anymore. Drive an hour out to these guys and get my stuff done. It's a cool group. But we're gonna head back home now. I do need to do front pads on the car before I mount the wheels, so we're gonna do that. And I've got another surprise at home that I'm looking forward to. So when we get home, get these on, deal with that stuff, and you know, we'll see how everything comes out and looks in terms of fitment. I think we should be good though. See y'all in the field. I had to make a detour and stop at probably the best pizza I've had since I've been in Florida. It's the closest thing to a New York slice that I've found. It's Manino's Pizzeria. So about to go in there, grab a pie for dinner, and then we'll continue everything else on the way home. It's actually the next night right now. Life called yesterday and I didn't get a chance to come in here to really do much. The only thing I did do was a quick test fit of one of the rear wheels. So it actually fits just perfectly. I don't want to jack it up right now, but I'll throw in some B-roll of what it looked like when it was kind of tucked in. And obviously when I'm done here, you guys will see it, but that's pretty much how it's looking on the car right now. So I'm gonna swap in some new pads. I got some regular Akabonos, Pro Act, whatever that is. So I'm gonna swap out the 2 front sides and call that a day. Once those are in, I'll go ahead and mount up the front wheels, and then I still need to actually torque the wheels down and put the faces on. But I'm gonna go ahead, get those brakes done, and we'll move forward from there, because tomorrow I have something else that I wanna work on. I'll show you guys that after. But we'll be back in a bit.
2,000 years later.
All right, y'all, so we got the wheels mounted up, and I gotta say the fitment is dang near perfect. Literally the only thing that I would change on this would have been the tire specs in the front. I did go with a 255/35 up front. I should have gone with a 245 just for a little bit more clearance, because the fenders are kind of catching just a little bit. It still airs out pretty decently, but could be better. In the rear though, the fitment is absolutely perfect. This is at my ride height right now, so it should be pretty good to go. But when I do air out, what you guys can see just how close it comes to the over fenders. It's like near perfect. And that's with me taking the spacers out, so there are no spacers on the car anymore on any side. And then as far as the front, like I said, it's just getting hung up a little bit on the fenders. So I could probably shave the inside of the fenders just a little bit more to get some clearance, but I don't know if it's going to help that much more, or how much I can actually clear off of it. But this is pretty much how we are sitting now. I really like these wheels. I think the chrome lips on them really pop the car out. The polished lips on the other GMRs were cool, but the chrome just really hits differently. So yeah, guys, I'm excited. Obviously, at this point, you guys are seeing I've actually installed some carbon fenders on the car too. So bit by bit, still got more work to do. A lot more maintenance coming up, but the videos will keep coming. Appreciate you guys being here. Appreciate you guys giving the vid to watch, and more than anything, I appreciate the subscriptions and the comments. But until next time, see you guys. Peace out, and God bless.